Well, back again, YouTube. See, the blades worked out. I mowed my lawn. It's a pretty big lawn. And this blade worked itself loose somehow. And I tightened it back up. Blades are holding up good. But, you know, it's only just one mowing. Now, hopefully these Husqvarna blades are better quality than what I was buying. Even though they are cheaper than what I was buying. You know, 36 bucks compared to like 50. I say it's a big difference. Otherwise, you know, everything's going great with the mower. It's cutting good. Got the grass done. Got a few other little things to do here and there, but I'll get to them. And if you guys like this content, just, you know, leave a remark, you know, reply, like, whatever, subscribe. And I'll see you guys again later. Bye for now.